Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got a opening. It's not really an unboxing because it's a packet. I've already opened it, so that way it's a little bit easier to film. But this is a keychain I got recently. As you can see on the back, it says Myers Equipment, and most of you probably have heard of it. It's a dealer up in Canfield, Ohio. But what's on the front is Carpenter Loadstar. So that's pretty cool. Of course, when I saw this, I had to add it to my collection, especially with it being from an Ohio dealership. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show it. I know I kind of mentioned it being an unboxing in my community post, but it came in a mailer, so can't really unbox something that's not a box. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.